This event was kind of sparked from our We Are campaign committee, and we wanted to do something that was pretty casual but would allow folks the opportunity to come and talk about who they are, but also just share information, get to know one another. And so we came up with this idea of doing the neighborhood table, and so here we are. In terms of We Are, I said we are doing great. You know, so many people are out here, people talking to new people and seeing people thriving around here. I just see OU, you know, doing a lot of good things.
I chose We Are Empowered because as a first-generation student, I am empowered by the education that I am getting, and I am setting the example for the future generations of kids that look just like me.
Well, I wrote We Are Unique because I think that my time at OU has really shown me all the different facets of how background and even culture and experiences have kind of shaped us as students.
I wrote that we are amazing as one because I believe that together we're better, we're stronger.
So I put We Are Thriving because I feel like OU is going in a good direction of being more inclusive on campus and working towards making a better college campus for everybody.
I'm really glad to see that we've had a really good turnout. I've seen faculty, staff, and a whole lot of students here, so I'm glad that people are here eating and fellowshipping.